Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, and in today's video we will be going through a summarized written text, recent exam question, and I will be demonstrating and showing you how to do summarized written text. Now this is a demo video, so please understand that we are not going to go through all the details of the strategies, so we're just going to use the method that we learned in our lectures. So if you haven't seen the lecture, please go through the lecture first and then come back for this video. All right, and we will start straight away. As you can see, we have one of the summarized written text open over here. So the first 4 or 5 minutes, your job is to obviously read this and then nitpick the information from here and put them together using the connectors. Okay, so I'm going to read this and I'm going to look at important information and I'm just going to jot that down. Right, so let's start. Slate of international institutions. And this is a quotation, so we are just going to try and avoid the quotations. It's hard to maintain funding and political will and knowledge and capacity building with unpredictable boom and bust cycles. So we're just going to avoid that part because it's again in quotations, so it's an opinion which you don't need to take. Okay, and this sentence is very important right now. As you can see, this sentence is quite important, and that's it. So here, Slate of international institution that local. Okay, primary effort is conducted by which runs the Okay, so this part is the one I would focus on, because look at, there's a slate of international institutions that coordinates locus management and response. But why are we talking about locus management? And okay, so in individual nations, competing priorities and domestic challenges make it hard to mount a long-range pest management strategy. So that's the main. So in individual nations, competing lack of cash, let's just take that lack of cash, competing priorities in domestic challenges make it hard to mount a long-range pest management strategy. Because locus numbers ebb and flow, it is difficult for countries to build up intermediate and long infrastructure to address outbreaks proactively. However, the most effective way to fight locust outbreaks involves mass aerial sprays of pesticides to kill locust which is not ideal given the adverse effect such chemicals, but emerging technologies may hold promise for the future. But 81 words now. I'm going to reduce this. Okay, so lack of cash, competing priorities, and domestic challenges make it hard to mount long range advanced learning. Because the longest numbers ebb and flow, it is difficult for countries to build up intermediate and long-term infrastructure. So because we don't need intermediate, and because it's basically talking about both sides, right? Intermediate and build up infrastructure to address outbreaks proactively. However, the most effective way to fight locusts involves mass aerial spray of pesticides. Okay, to kill locusts, but I'm already saying outbreak. Pesticides, which is not ideal given the adverse effect. Okay, done. And it's on within 75 words, so you can submit it and you can check the scores. Now, as you can see, locus, okay, it is content-wise, it's full marks. 1 mark I lost just because of grammar and spellings, but that is something that I have to be careful about, right? So this is one very common thing. So I want, as you could see at the time when I was typing this, I noticed the error, but it is very hard for you to notice if you don't go word by word for spell checks. Okay, so make sure that you do your spelling checks word by word, all right? And such mistake is obviously going to cost us marks. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned quite a bit from here. Have a lovely rest of